I'm going to show how to do an auto backflush or backwash for Nuova Simonelli Appia to compact. So for group cleaning, you will need a blind filter, a brush, and also a espresso machine cleaning powder. Okay. First of all, change the basket to a blind filter. So I have two with a blind filter. Put a spoon of the powder. Okay, and then turn off the machine. Then press these two buttons together and then turn on the machine. And then you'll see the lights start to blink, start to flash. So you press these two buttons together. So first step is to clean with the powder. It will auto clean and then stop, clean, stop for a few times. So we will just wait. When it's done, later you will see these two lights start flashing. So it shows that it's done. So now we just wait. Okay, now you can see that it starts flashing. It means that the cleaning is done. I'm going to wash this under the sink and I'll be back very soon. Okay, now I have rinsed this under the sink. Next, I'm going to brush the group head or the gasket. Okay, so after we brush clean both the group head, without cleaning powder, we lock it on, and then we press the same center button again. Okay, it's done now. So you can remove the portafilter and turn off the machine. Okay, before I end this recording, I'd like to tell you why is it important to do this daily cleaning for group head. Because when we brew coffee, coffee will tend to stay in the shower. Okay, and if you don't clean, this is the result, which you can see the shower is totally clogged. So the washing, or especially this powder, is meant to clear up all the coffee residue in the shower. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you very much and see you again.